In this video, you are going to learn how to export your custom-made motion graphic templates from Adobe Premiere Pro. The beauty part of this feature is that once you create a motion graphic template, you can reuse it in multiple project files without having to create it again from scratch. So follow along with me step by step and you will be able to successfully export your templates from Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Once you have created your motion graphic template, simply select the clip and right click on it. You will see a list of options. From here, choose Export as Motion Graphics Template. A new window will open asking you to give a name for the template. Next, you can choose the destination folder where you want to save it. Below that, you will find two compatibility related options. You can check or uncheck them as you prefer. Personally, I don't use these options. And then comes the keywords section. This is very useful because you can add nicknames or keywords for the template. Later, if you forget the exact name, you can simply search with these keywords to find it easily under the template folder. I'll also show you how to access this template once it is exported. Now, click on OK. That's it. Your template will be exported and also added by default into the graphic template section. To find it, just go to the graphic templates tab, search with the name or the keywords that you gave, and there it is. Simply drag and drop it into your sequence timeline, and if you want, you can even edit it again. That's it guys. This is how you can export motion graphic templates from Adobe Premiere Pro and reuse them again and again for your future projects. Make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Premiere Pro and YouTube related videos.